Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In the last video we saw how to delete message and deleting messages in batch from AWS SQS. Today we will look how to delete all the message which are present in the AWS SQS. So let's start with deleting all available messages in SQS. Okay, so for doing this, let's create a new file, purge message. Let's see what does it require. Purge messages. Okay, sorry. Should get SQS first and then purge queue. Sorry, it is purge queue. Yes, it requires context and then for that push context dot context. Then it requires purge queue input. Purge queue input requires queue URL as a mandatory part. Okay, so let's see queue URL. Pass a queue URL, and I think that much should be enough. Again, what it is required returning is purge queue output and the error. So purge queue output I don't think we require. So let's put it as it is, and error. Let's check error. So fp println unable to purge queue error. That's it. And successfully purged queue. So we already have this queue created and it is not having any messages. So let's just, yes, so let's just populate it with the dummy message. I have already created a function by which we will be able to um, publish messages. So each batch would be having a batch of 10 message and I'm publishing for 5 times, so it would be batch of um, 10 into 5, so it is 50 messages it should be publishing. Yes, so let's run it. Go run me dot go. Yes, done sending message. So let's see if it is able to publish it. Yes, the 50 messages are available. Now let's just remove it or comment it out. SQS connection and then purge messages. It needs context and result dot QURL as we are getting the QRL in this result. So let's try to delete all the messages from the queue. Successfully it purged the queue. Okay. Now we should not see any messages which are 50 as of now. Now it should be 0. Refreshed it. Yes, 0. So now there are no messages available in the queue. Thanks for watching video. If you do like it, please give a thumbs up. If any questions, please do put it in the comment box. Please do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.